Approaching. Stone. How yeah? Almost there. Just pulling the encryption key.
4 hours in advance, she's here.
Well, she's stuck in there with you, so that's comfort to you. Did you go here with your shots up here?
Capture. Actually, she likes the cats. Everybody has schools, right?
Cat safety. Sorry. Riding in the west. That's it. I have eyes on Mulvaney. Intel was good.
I can't believe it. Europe's most wanted arms dealer seen for the first time in 3 years.
Adding names and faces to the desk list. Nearly there. Thank God some of this changed. The system's offline. Local access only. Need a new plan to get you in.
What do you mean?
I need direct access to someone who's already on the right one.
Head of security is at the bar.
I could hack his phone, but I'll need to be close to him.
Not close.
Stone, you're not a field agent. You must get out of the mouth.
She can do this.
It's too dangerous. Mulvaney's entry now.
Our arms dealers on the rig right now, no coordination.
There's no other way. We have to get Mulvaney.
Tell me what you need.
Well, we didn't have to get the head of security calls.
Stop.
Thanks, Bailey.
I can't take them any further.
Stone, listen to me. Wait to your right. Grab a glass of champagne.
Thank you.
Good. Now drink it. Take with courage.
We send it towards the cocktail table. Do you know what you're playing?
I was in the dressing room.
Just place it there. Doesn't matter if it is. Okay, I have access. downstairs. Two heavies working the door.
No way. Inserting Ian's facial recognition.
I don't need to.
Figure in the morning like.
Dinner?
Okay, hold on a second. I'm almost afraid to see what Trish is all.
That's what I did.
You're right about what things happening out there. That waiter's on body count. That's enough blood.
Yeah, sure.
That's US Navy SEALs in real time.
But if crackswords are a great encryption, they would have that capability.
Left hand dock.